Hey, in this video I'm going to show you guys why the mid-price Steeleries Apex M300 is the best keyboard to use as a starting streamer. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about the design. The Apex 300 has fast action keys. These fast, low-profile keys allow you to react quickly and make tactical key presses. The keyboard has 1 millisecond response time. The modern keyboard design is lit by vivid white illumination, giving you the competitive advantage during night gaming. The reason why I picked this keyboard out of all the brands and different types of keyboard is the custom macro keys. All the macro keys on the top of the keyboard and the side of the keyboard can be customized for nearly anything, which giving you a massive difference when it comes to streaming. These macro keys will be easily accessible for you. For example, I've got mine set up. As you can see on the top here, this is the layout. This is how I got mine set up. This is the actual app what Steeleries is giving you to use the keyboard. I've got mine set up. Macro 1, this will be, let's say, start the stream. Macro 2 will be stop the stream. Macro 3 will be muting my mic, muting desktop. Got my overlays set up for these 4 keys. Let's say it's the starting screen, live screen, be right back screen, intermission, and those can be set up for any kind of transitions, any kind of animations you want for the stream. Also, you got the side buttons, which you can also set up for anything you want it to. With the layer buttons, you can switch between customized keyboard setups, as you can see. And all you need to do in your OBS or streaming software is set up hotkeys for the above buttons. As you can see, volume up has been set to these buttons here, plus and minus. You got the stop streaming button. I took the start streaming button because I accidentally started streaming once I've done the video. Start recording, etc. So you can set up every single button, but the macro keys will help a lot. As you can see, I've got the OBS key set up as F19. Obviously, we won't see F19. F19 will be these buttons up here. Now, these macro keys will not give you the same feeling as a Stream Deck, however, it will save you money and serve the same purpose. This keyboard is around £70, but you might be able to find a better deal on eBay or Amazon. So compared to your 15 key Stream Deck, this keyboard will be half the price, and if you're not interested in the design and you wanted to save money, this keyboard will serve the same purpose and it will be less gadget on your desk.